Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP Officejet Pro 8022e. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax from this printer. This printer is a smart business productivity gear. Basically, it's using ink cartridges 912 or 912 extra large. This printer printing speed is up to 20 print per minute for black and 10 print for colored. This printer is made with 50% recycled content by weight of a plastic, and the paper tray input is 225 sheet input tray and 60 sheet output tray. This printer, you got up to 3 years HP warranty with this printer. It's using ink 912 or 912 extra, and this is what the inks looks like. Okay, this printer is also with ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the scan for this printer. Okay, flatbed scanner. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network. You also have the option for you to connect this via Wi-Fi direct and USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here in UK, but they expect you to connect this printer using Wi-Fi network. Basically, I want to show you some of the features for this printer, and for us to go ahead and connect this print, install the ink. This is the paper tray. Okay, so this is the paper tray for this printer. And to remove the paper tray, just need to press this down. Okay, press down these two buttons here to the side, press it down and remove it. Now bring out the paper tray. This paper casket, to extend it, I do get question about how to extend it. To extend this paper tray, you need to press and hold this lever here, or button lever, press it down, push it down to extend it. You can also bring it inside. If you want it to go inside completely, then you need to press down here, okay, for it to go down completely. So I mean to go inside completely. So you can see it's inside completely. Now if you want to bring it out, just bring it out and extend it, so that when you close this printer this way, it will be outside. Okay, so depending on particular paper you are using, with this you can load A4 paper, okay, 8x11. If you extend it, so you can load various size of paper, even 4x6, okay, 5x7. Only what you need to do, load particular paper, then adjust it, okay, to the size, to the particular side you want it. Okay, so you can load various size of paper. You can load photo paper. I have photo paper here. Okay, so you can load various size. This is 4x6 photo paper. Okay, so you just need to push it sideways and stick the paper, and so this is 4x6 photo paper. The same thing is applicable if you want, because I do receive question about 5x7 and various size of paper. This is 5x7 photo paper. Stick the paper you are using. This is 5x7 photo paper. Okay, so this 5x7, so you can load various size of paper and it will work. Okay, so what I want to show you is actually how to install the ink. Okay, with this printer is what we're going to do, how to install the ink. Okay, it's in. Now to start this printer, you switch this printer on and off from here. Okay, so this is the printer, it's on now. We just need to wait for it to be ready, then we'll go ahead and install the ink. I also want to show you basically then how to set this printer up. Is once you switch it on, you wait for instruction. Okay, you put your country that where you reside, and the next is for you to go ahead and put your country, and the rest information that is required. Okay, so now this printer we are just waiting for it to be ready. Here we go. So you can see now. Okay, so we need to, you can see this light blinking is Wi-Fi light is blinking. Okay, so the light is blinking. What it signifies is you need the Wi-Fi to connect, and when you connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, this light will be a steady blue light on. Okay, at the moment it's blinking. It signifies that we need to connect this printer to Wi-Fi. Now I think I also mentioned about ADF. This is an automatic document feeder. Okay, the essence of it is for you to scan, okay, using ADF. You can scan using ADF as well. Now select your country. Okay, use the side arrow. This is touch screen, so select the country, English or language, English, confirm. Okay, then it asks you select your country. You can select US, Canada, United Kingdom, so UK, click confirm. Okay, and it's checking the printer. The next is doing. Okay, now it's telling us insert cartridges that came with the printer. When finished, close cartridges access door to continue. So we'll leave this printer up. Okay, to install the ink, lift the printer this way, open it up. Okay, so if you're lifting it up, this is for the scanner. Okay, what we need to do, you can see the arrow here. Okay, just need to bring this out, the cover, lift up, and once you lift it up, the ink holder will come right in the middle. You can see the ink holder comes right in the middle for you to change it. I also want to mention, if you have any paper jam, this is where to check. Lift up this section, check for any paper jam and debris. If you make sure you close it and bring the cover back. If you finish this end, you can also close it down. Okay, and leave this printer this way as well. Bring the paper tray up. You bring the paper tray up, then you can also check for any paper jam here as well. Okay, so you can also check for this here. Simply close it. Okay, now what you want to do is to install the ink, lift it up, okay, and remove this. So make sure you remove this plastic. Okay, we put it away. So what we need to do now is to install the ink, and it says a bit of self-explanatory. The color, there are stickers on top of it. Okay, so magenta goes to the left, then followed by cyan, which is light blue, yellow, and K is black. So this is how to install this. Okay, so we remove the inks. Okay, and we start with magenta. Okay, and the way to do this, you can see pull off. So you just need to pull this air vent. Okay, once you pull it off, open up this section. Okay, and remove it. Now the next you need to do is to go in. Okay, just need to go in, push it down. You hear a click sound to this in the setting. Next on the list is cyan. Okay, this is cyan. Pull off air vent. Okay, then squeeze this. Okay, just squeeze it. Okay, clockwise. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Squeeze it to this clockwise, and it will be free for you to. So then you go in. Okay, so this end, this foam section where the ink is coming out, need to be inside. Okay, and this chip end need to be outside. You can see that there's a chip. Okay, so you go in. Make sure it's in the setting. Push it down, and it's in. The next on the list is, so we have put cyan. The next is yellow. Okay, yellow is what we are putting in. Okay, pull, can see pull. Okay, pull it up, air vent, squeeze it. Okay, and it's out. This is yellow. Then you go in, push it down. The last but not the least, this is black color, BK. Okay, so some printer they put it BK. This one is black. Okay, squeeze it, pull, squeeze it. Okay, and it's out. Now go to the black setting, and it's in. Make sure you check this, that is they are all in and not falling off. Okay, and once you don't close it, okay, once you close it, close the cover, and the ink will start checking the printer. Okay, so now it's just checking the printer. Please wait. So this is how to install the ink. Here we go. Next, HP cartridges, genuine HP ink installed. So this is actually the information right now. Genuine HP ink installed. Click OK. So click OK. Now, so this is how to do this. I'm going to show you how to load the paper and print out alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial and overview, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and I appreciate you. Thank you.